Okay, we are now talking about dividing decimals. This is lesson 1.8. Okay, there's a lot of vocabulary, but this is a perfect note page for you to go back and visit your vocabulary words for division all the time. So the first thing, your first number is called your dividend. Okay. Your next number is called your divisor. All right. When your divisor, that's this number, is less than 1, so this is 0.4, so it's less than 1, then your answer is going to be bigger. Will be bigger than your first number. The dividend. Okay. When the divisor, which is your second number, is more than 1, which this is not, then the answer will be less than the dividend. Okay, so let's make a prediction on number 1. Our divisor is less than 1. So I think our answer is going to be larger than 5. Okay, that's what my prediction is. Our answer will be larger than 5. All right, the setup. Okay, you're going to actually switch them. And your first number goes, I always call it a division house. Okay, this one goes inside the house, and this one goes outside the house. Okay. Again, we have more fill in the blanks. We have a lot of words. Move the decimal in the divisor. And remember, we know what a divisor is because we put our vocabulary up here. So our divisor was the 0.44. So move the decimal in the divisor to make the divisor a whole number. Okay, I know that this is a lot of words, but it will completely make sense when I do an example up here. Move the decimal in the dividend, that's the one inside the house, to the same number of places. Okay. And then add zeros if you need them. For example, still working on the same problem that we've had over here. We originally had 0.44 and then 5.5 on the inside. So the very first thing, if I follow rule number 1, I need to turn the outside into a whole number. So I move it 1, 2. So now this number is actually 44. How many times did I move it? I moved it twice. So following rule number 2, I have to move it the same number of spaces. 1, 2. And then following rule number 3, I need to fill in any blanks with zeros. All right. So now we're just going to divide to like normal, and we're going to rewrite the problem so it looks less confusing. 44 divided by, well, division table house, 580. and 50. Okay. Can 44 fit into the number 5? No, it cannot. Can 44 fit into the number 55? Yes, it can. It can fit into it once. 1 times 44 is 44, and you subtract those two numbers. You get 11. Next, you have to bring it down, whatever number is left, and you get 110. How many times can 44 fit into 110? The answer is 2. 2 times 44 gets me 88. I subtract that, and I get 22. Okay, I still have some stuff left. I can add a decimal, and I can add zeros. Okay. I can't just add zeros willy-nilly like at the end. I have to put a decimal there because in 6th grade, we don't do remainders. Okay, remainders are now gone. You have to put decimals and zeros to draw out your number. Okay, 4 times something gets me 222. Nope, 220, sorry. And that answer is 5. 220, subtract that and get 0. Okay? Place the decimal. Okay? Do you see how right here I have a decimal? All right? I have to move that straight up. Move the decimal inside the house straight up to the quotient, which is another word for answer in a division problem. Okay, so my answer I got was 12.5. Okay, my answer was 12.5, and I have to compare that. The divisor was less, so I say that my answer was going to be bigger than 5. My answer is 12.5, so I am on the right direction. Okay, it's bigger than 5.5. I got 12.5. All right. Okay, we are on page 53 in your book. I am only doing problems number 6 and problems number 7. I encourage you to do number 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Oh, I need this. Okay, problem number 6. 7.772 minus 2.38 divided by 8. Okay, where do I need to start? I need to start in the parentheses. It's a subtraction problem. I know I have to line up my decimals. 7.772, 2.38, fill in any blanks with zeros. 2, 9, 3, bring down your decimal. Okay, now it's saying 5.392 divided by 8. Remember, on our wheel, we flipped them. So this is actually going in the division house. Okay, do I need to move any of the decimals out here? No, there aren't any. So do I need to move any out here? No, I don't need to. So I can automatically bring this straight up, the decimal. Can 8 fit into 5? No, it cannot. If you want to do that, you can. Okay, can 8 fit into 53? Yes, it can. I think it can fit into it 6 times, which is 48. Okay, I do that subtraction. I can't take $8 away from someone who just has 3. So I turn that into a 13. 8, 7, nope, 7? No, 6. No, 5. Wow. I'm editing that one out. 4 minus 4 is nothing. Okay. Bring down my 9. 8 times what gets me close to 59 without going over? That is 7. 56. Subtract that, which is 3. Bring this down. 32. 8 times what gets me to 32? And that is 4. Okay? There is our happy answer for number 6. All right? Moving on to number 7. Remember, try and pause this video and work out the problems. See if you get it right. If you don't get it right, where did you go wrong? All right. Number 7, it's an addition problem inside the parentheses. That's where I'm going to start. If it's an addition problem, I know that I have to line up my decimals. So 53.2, 35.7, it's an addition problem. Bring down my decimal. Cool. Okay. 88.9 divided by 7. Remember, I have to flip them when I put them inside the division house. Do I need to move any decimals out here? No, I do not. So if I don't move them out here, I don't have to move them here. I can automatically bring my decimal straight up. Okay? Can 7 fit into 8? Once. Can 7 fit into 18? Twice. Can 7 fit into 49? 7 times. There's our answer. Okay? All right, we're still on lesson 1.8, and there's a lot of problems on this homework sheet, and so I'm going to simplify it for you. You only have to do the top row on the front, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You do not have to do the bottom ones. If you want to, do it. Be amazing. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the front. And then on the back, you only have to do the bottom half, number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And they give you answer choices over here. You'll learn something about Miss Burton, that she does not like lines. Lines are hard to grade. Write the answers, okay, write the answers that are over here next to the correct problem over here. All right? Bye.